Hey folks, so here's another unboxing for you real quick. Got this today. It is the MIXX. If you have a little difficulty seeing it because the letters are in silver, so they'll shine the light. It's the MIXX StreamQ C4 active noise canceling wireless headphones. You see a QR code there. That QR code is actually to a video that talks about the headphones. And let me read it here real quick before we open it. It says soft memory, foam earpads, hands-free telephone calls, rich and immersive enhanced stereo sounds, up to 40 hours of playtime, 3 preset EQ sound modes created for music, bass, boost, and voice. Integrated headphone controls to adjust volume, play, pause, and more. Foldable headphones with adjustable headband. Earpads rotate, tilt, and fold. I read some here where it says, yes, a 15-minute quick charge provides 8 hours of playtime. So, nice box. Let's get right into it. Do I need my trusty knife? Let's see. Make sure I open it the right way, right? I'm trying to feel for the best place to open it. Seems to be sealed in a different way. Here we go. Normally just rip these things open, right? But I'm trying to do it in a nice way. That's not the normal way these things are. So you can see I'm struggling with it a bit. I don't want to. Maybe it makes sense to cut it, right? Because it would just be easier. Let's hope I don't cut myself. It'll just be easier than trying to peel off that. There we go. Oh, I cut it open. Let's see what we have. Drag it out. Get rid of the box. So we have, it doesn't come with much. We have the headphones. Let's rip this off. Box, the box is kind of difficult to open, I guess I would say. We got the manual. We have a storage carrying pouch, and we have a USB-A to USB-C cable. Now it's interesting. Let's look at these for a second. That the headband. Usually the headband's adjustable on each side. This one's adjustable in the middle. Up there and up there. Usually it's lower down, right? But it doesn't make a difference. It's higher up, but it works just the same. The headpiece is turned flat to fold, right? We have controls. This looks like a noise canceling control here. We have the USB-C. The audio port for the audio cable if you want to do wired. Touch controls here. The mics here for the automatic noise canceling. R and L, as you see, for right and left. It feels nice and comfy. So I'm gonna charge these up and get to listening. And then I'll come back and tell you what I think. You'll be able to read the full review from the description below, I should say. I'm sorry I'm distracted because I'm looking at these headphones and thinking the way they're designed is quite interesting. They do have some power because the light just blinked, but I want to charge them fully. So these are the MIXX StreamQ C4 active noise canceling wireless headphones. As I said, you'll be able to read the full review via the description or the link in the description below.